Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of rewards points, those tempting perks offered by credit cards, loyalty programs, and retailers. While collecting points can feel like free money, there are common mistakes that can seriously reduce their value. In this video, we'll explore the most frequent pitfalls people encounter and how you can make the most of your hard-earned points. Whether you're a seasoned points collector or just starting out, understanding these mistakes will help you maximize your benefits and avoid disappointment. Let's get started by looking at how rewards points systems work and why their value isn't always as straightforward as it seems. Before we talk about mistakes, it's important to understand that not all points are created equal. The value of a rewards point can vary widely depending on how and where you redeem it. For example, a point might be worth 1 cent when used for travel, but only half a cent for merchandise. This difference can add up quickly, especially if you're redeeming large amounts. Always check the redemption options and calculate the real-world value before spending your points. Knowing this basic principle will help you avoid one of the most common traps, assuming all redemptions offer equal value. One of the easiest ways to lose value from your rewards points is by letting them expire. Many programs have expiration dates, and if you're not paying attention, you could lose your entire balance. It's crucial to regularly check your account and understand the rules for keeping your points active. Sometimes, making a small purchase or redeeming a few points can reset the clock. Don't let your hard-earned rewards vanish simply because you forgot to use them in time. Another common mistake is redeeming your points for items that offer poor value. For example, using points for gift cards or merchandise often gives you less value per point than redeeming for travel or statement credits. Always compare the value you're getting before making a redemption. Sometimes, it's better to save your points for a bigger, more valuable reward rather than spending them on something small and less worthwhile. Sometimes, redeeming points comes with hidden fees or restrictions that can eat into their value. For example, booking travel through a specific portal might have extra charges, or there could be blackout dates that limit your options. Always read the fine print before redeeming. Understanding these details can help you avoid unpleasant surprises and ensure you're getting the most out of your rewards. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of earning more points, but sometimes people go too far. Spending extra money just to earn points can actually cost you more than the value of the rewards. Always consider whether a purchase makes sense for your budget, not just for the points. Smart collectors focus on earning points through regular spending, not by making unnecessary purchases. Many rewards programs allow you to transfer points to partner airlines or hotels. Sometimes, transferring points can unlock much higher value, especially for premium travel experiences. If you ignore these options, you might miss out on the best redemptions. Take time to learn about transfer partners and how to use them effectively. It could make your points go much further. With multiple programs and cards, it's easy to lose track of your points. Not knowing how many points you have or where they're stored can lead to missed opportunities or expired rewards. Use apps or spreadsheets to keep everything organized. This way, you'll always know when and how to use your points for maximum value. When redeeming points for travel, remember that taxes and surcharges often aren't covered. You might book a free flight only to find you still owe hundreds in fees. Always check what's included in your redemption and budget for any extra costs. This will help you avoid unpleasant surprises and ensure you're truly getting a good deal. Rewards programs often change their rules, redemption rates, or partners. If you're not paying attention to updates, you might miss out on new opportunities or get caught by surprise when the value of your points drops. Make it a habit to read emails or check the program's website regularly. Staying informed helps you adapt your strategy and avoid losing value. Sign-up bonuses can be very attractive, but don't let them cloud your judgment. Sometimes, people open new accounts just for the bonus, only to find the ongoing rewards aren't as good. Always look at the long-term value of a program, not just the initial offer. This will help you build a sustainable points strategy. Many rewards cards come with annual fees. If you're not earning enough value from the points and perks to offset the fee, you could be losing money. Always calculate whether the benefits outweigh the cost before renewing a card. Sometimes a no-fee card is a better choice for your situation. Some cards offer extra points for spending in certain categories, like groceries or travel. If you're not using the right card for the right purchase, you're missing out on extra rewards. Make sure you know which cards offer bonuses and use them strategically to maximize your earnings. Some programs allow you to combine points from multiple sources, like family members or different cards. If you're not taking advantage of this, you might be leaving value on the table. Combining points can help you reach redemption thresholds faster and unlock bigger rewards. Believe it or not, many people accumulate points but never use them. Whether it's from forgetting, waiting for the perfect redemption, or just not knowing how, unused points are wasted value. Don't let your rewards sit idle, make a plan to use them regularly, and get the benefits you've earned. While cashback is a popular redemption option, it's not always the best value. Some programs offer a lower rate for cashback compared to travel or other rewards. Always compare the value you get for each redemption type before making a decision. Sometimes, a little patience can lead to a much better deal. When you use points for one thing, you're giving up the chance to use them for something else. This is called opportunity cost. For example, using points for a small purchase now might mean missing out on a bigger reward later. Always consider what you're giving up before redeeming your points. Some programs require you to have a minimum number of points before you can redeem them. If you're not aware of these thresholds, you might find yourself unable to use your points when you want to. Always check the rules and plan your earning and spending accordingly. Some loyalty programs allow families or groups to pool their points together. This can help you reach redemption goals faster and unlock better rewards. If you're not taking advantage of family pooling, you might be missing out on significant value. Check if your program offers this feature and coordinate with your loved ones. Rewards programs often run special promotions where you can earn extra points or get better redemption rates. If you're not watching for these deals, you could be missing out on easy value. Sign up for alerts and check the program's website regularly to stay informed about the latest offers. If you use your rewards card abroad, foreign transaction fees can quickly eat into your value. Some cards charge up to 3% on every purchase made outside your home country. Always check your card's policy before traveling and consider using a card with no foreign transaction fees to maximize your rewards. Redemption options can change over time, and new opportunities may become available. If you're not reviewing your options regularly, you might miss out on better deals. Make it a habit to check what's available before redeeming your points, so you always get the best value. Every rewards program has its own set of rules, including how points are earned, redeemed, and transferred. Not understanding these rules can lead to mistakes and lost value. Take the time to read the terms and conditions, and don't hesitate to ask questions if something isn't clear. Sometimes, using points for an emergency expense can be a smart move, even if it's not the highest value redemption. Don't be afraid to use your points when you really need them. The peace of mind and financial relief can be worth more than squeezing out every last cent of value. While it's usually best to save points for high-value redemptions, sometimes small redemptions make sense, especially if your points are about to expire. Don't overlook the option to use points for small purchases if it means preventing a total loss. If you're not getting enough value from a premium card, consider downgrading to a no-fee version instead of canceling. This can help you keep your points and credit history intact while avoiding unnecessary fees. Always check if your issuer allows product changes. Just like cash, the value of points can erode over time due to inflation or program devaluations. If you let your points sit for years, you might find they're worth less when you finally use them. Try to redeem points regularly to avoid losing value to inflation. Occasionally, programs offer bonuses when you transfer points to partners. These promotions can significantly increase the value of your points. If you're not watching for transfer bonuses, you could miss out on a great deal. Always check for current offers before making a transfer. Some programs let you redeem points for unique experiences, like concerts or special events. These can offer great value and memorable moments. Don't overlook these options, especially if you're looking for something different than travel or merchandise. Treat your rewards points like any other asset. Include them in your financial planning and budget. This helps you make smarter decisions about when and how to use them and ensures you're not missing out on value. Timing can make a big difference in the value you get from your points. Sometimes, waiting for a promotion or special offer can boost your redemption value. Other times, it's better to redeem now before a devaluation. Stay informed and be flexible with your strategy. Some retailers or programs offer point multipliers during special events or sales. If you're not taking advantage of these, you could be missing out on easy extra points. Always check for multipliers before making big purchases. Points can often be used for upgrades, like moving from economy to business class. These redemptions can offer excellent value, especially on long flights. Don't forget to check if upgrades are available before booking your next trip. Transferring points to partners isn't always instant. Sometimes, it can take days for the transfer to complete, and award availability might change in the meantime. Always check transfer times and plan ahead to avoid missing out on your desired redemption. It's important to know how much your points are worth in real terms. Many websites and blogs offer updated valuations for different programs. Use these resources to guide your redemption decisions and avoid overpaying with points. Some programs let you donate points to charity. While this may not always offer the highest monetary value, it can be a meaningful way to use points you might otherwise lose. Consider this option if you have extra points or want to support a good cause. Some programs charge a fee to redeem points, especially for certain types of rewards. Always check for any fees before redeeming, as they can reduce the overall value you receive. Factor these costs into your decision-making process. Some cards allow you to use points for statement credits, which can help pay down your balance. While this isn't always the highest value redemption, it can be a practical choice if you need to reduce your debt or cover an unexpected expense. Points can sometimes be used to purchase gifts for others, such as merchandise or gift cards. This can be a thoughtful way to use points, especially if you're struggling to find a good redemption for yourself. Just be sure to compare the value before making a purchase. Some promotions are only available for a limited time. If you're not paying attention, you could miss out on extra points or better redemption rates. Always check the expiration dates on promotions and act quickly to take advantage. Always compare the value you get from different redemption options. Sometimes, the same number of points can be worth much more depending on how you use them. Take a few minutes to do the math before making a decision. Some rewards cards offer travel insurance when you redeem points for travel. This can add significant value and peace of mind. Always check if your redemption comes with extra perks like insurance before booking. If you run a business, using points for business expenses can help you save money and manage cash flow. Some programs offer special rewards or redemptions for business purchases. Explore these options to get the most out of your points. Some programs let you use points to pay for subscriptions, like streaming services or magazines. This can be a convenient way to use points, especially if you have a regular monthly expense. Check if your program offers this option. To sum up, rewards points can be a fantastic way to get extra value from your spending, but only if you use them wisely. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure your points work harder for you. Remember to stay organized, keep up with program changes, and always compare your options before redeeming. With a little planning and attention, you can turn your rewards points into real savings and memorable experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!